What's up guys, so I have my Hisense Smart TV over here. This is the Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable game HDR on your Hisense Smart TV. Now in case you do not know, HDR is the feature that gives you the best experience, that is the best video resolution when playing games on your Hisense Smart TV. Now to enable this, what you want to do is to go to the HDMI input where your game is currently connected to. So in my case, I'm just going to go to the top and click on the input icon over here. Click on it. Now you can see that HDMI 1 is actually turned on. So what you just want to do is to go ahead and select the HDMI ports like so. And you can basically see that my TV is currently connected to a gaming console, and this is basically the game. Now for you to enable the HDR feature on your smart TV, what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the menu button on your TV remote. You can basically see this menu button over here. In some TVs, this button can be placed anywhere else, but in my case, it is actually placed here. So what you just want to do is to go ahead and press on this menu button on your TV. Don't go to the setting, just go to this menu button here. And once you press it, it is going to display this menu right there. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on HDMI format on your TV. Now once you click on it, you're going to be taken to this page where you can actually change the HDMI format of your TV. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on OK, and then you can now change it from standard to enhanced, which is actually the HDR feature. So by changing it from standard format to enhanced format, you're basically enabling the HDR feature of your TV. You can basically see what is written here: to fully support current 4K and HDR players, switch to enhanced. It is important to also note that for you to actually enjoy the HDR feature of your TV, you want to make sure that the game mode is actually turned on the TV as well. So you want to make sure that your game mode is currently turned on, and then you also want to make sure that the HDR feature on the TV is actually turned on. Those features are going to enable you enjoy the best gaming experience ever from your Hisense Smart TV. That will be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.